less than 60 seconds, less than $1 US, you can create a cryptocurrency on Sweet. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to add liquidity and how people can start trading your coin today. Now, just a word of warning. Meme coins are not serious investments or long-term hold.
Hello everyone, good evening. I welcome you all to today's class. How are you all doing? Hope you are doing excellent today. All right. So from the last class, we looked at Canva. We looked at how Canva works and how it functions, what we can use it to do, and the different kinds of designs we can make from Canva. All right, so today I promised us that we are going to be learning how to design with Canva. So I'm going to be teaching you the tools, some tools in Canva, okay? I'll be teaching you some tools in Canva for you to master your Canva tools and also be able to design with it. So that's what we're going to be doing today. All right, although there's also another design I want us to achieve from Pixel Lab. Okay, but today we're going to be learning how to create a flyer design with Canva. All right. Oh, okay. So while others join us, let's get started already. So I'll be sharing my screen with you now. So can you see my screen? I believe you can. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Okay. So today,
Yes,
this is what we're going to be creating. And remember, I told us that I promised you guys that I'll be sharing with you how to get the Canva Pro. Okay, so all the limitations of the Canva Free, you won't face it anymore. You'll be using and enjoying the Canva Pro to create professional designs. So I'm going to teach you how to get your Canva Pro, how to get it. You follow me. Please mute yourselves, please. Can you mute your mic? Mute your mics, please. Everybody mute your mic. All right, thank you. So let's continue. So this is what we're going to recreate today. We're going to learn how to design this from start to finish. All right. But before we head to design this, let's learn how to get the Canva Pro. So follow me very carefully. So to get the Canva Pro, is always paid. Canva Pro is paid. It's premium version, so you have to pay for it. We're not going to pay a dime to get this particular one. I want to show you how to get. So to get the Canva Pro, you go to your Chrome. Go to your Google Chrome. Okay, I'm already accessing the Pro version right now. So come here to your search box and search for Bingo Tingo. Bingo Tingo. So I've already opened it before. That's why it's showing me best social media platform. But I'm going to start from scratch to teach you. So this is what I typed: Bingo Tingo. Oh goodness! Please mute your mic. Oh, I will. What's going on? Wow. So as we are saying, come to Bingo Tingo. Can write it down somewhere so you not forget. Search for it. So this is it in the search box. You click the first bingotingo.com you are seeing. You can just go to bingotingo.com. So search for it. This is what you are seeing. Once you click the link, this is what you see. So you scroll up and come to where it says Canva. How to get Canva. That's one thing with this site. Sometimes you'll be seeing ads that you don't want to see. This is actually a new development. It was not like this before. So come to here, how to get Canva. Canva, please note it, how to get Canva, how to use Canva free guide. Click on this, how to get Canva. Once you click on it, so this is where to bring you to now be showing you these best social media platforms. After I pressed how to use Canva, this is where it will direct you to, this is where it will bring you to. So you scroll down to this place, free guide. You can get the file in 34 seconds. Actually started reading from 60 seconds. So now we are in 29 seconds. So it's after 1 minute, you can now click on the download button. So let's allow it 20 seconds. Once it gets to 0 seconds, the download button will come. So you can download. Actually, this is the easiest way to get Canva, because other ways you have to do a lot of things before you get the free version. Okay, so until it gives you what you want, you can still go back because it's showing you ads. So you can still come click back until it shows you this. You see right now, a lot of ads, annoying ads. So what is supposed to show you here is get here. Get here is supposed to be different from will be updated in some hours, check later. Once this thing that is showing you, this 3 buttons showing you, this is not what it's supposed to show you. It's supposed to show you get here. Because if you click this one that is here now, it's showing us numerous ads. It's showing us numerous ads. Please mute yourself. Who is this same person that keeps unmuting himself? I will remove some people though. If you unmute yourself, I will unmute you because you are disturbing the class. I will remove you from this class, please. So this is what it's showing us. It's not supposed to show us this particular pattern. the get here is supposed to be different, supposed to be like this for free CO2 sponsored by, supposed to have his own box, but it's now mixed up. So in this case, you just have to try later. It shows you that separate, when get here is in a separate box, and you click it. And once you click it, maybe I have to do a separate video to show you that, because right now, is not giving what I wanted to give. Okay, so I'll do a different video to show you how to go about it. But this is what I'm supposed to click. Once you click the get here, to direct you to Canva. Then you now press join team. To now show you something, you now press join team, but it's not showing it right now. So I'll do a different video for it. So let's continue with this class. And where we are, I'll continue my Canva Pro. I will show you how to get it. Okay, I'll do a separate video on that. But if you get to this level, this stage that we are in, you have already gotten what you want. You just press the get it here. Once you press it, it will now direct you to Canva. When you're in Canva, a notification will pop up telling you join team. Once you press the join team, you are now in a team. I will do a different video on that actually. So here we have Canva. So I want to show us how we design that flyer I showed you. Let me show it to you one more time. This is the flyer. This flyer is seen here. This flyer here, we want to learn how to design it. This one here. It's it may be a long process because it takes a lot of editing. I want to show you that you can still do editing in Canva. It must not necessarily give what they give you. You can still put in your creativity in Canva. So to achieve that, we're going to go to technology flyer. As you can see, that's the first thing that is here, technology flyer. But before we go to technology flyer, there are also other things you can design with Canva. You can design wedding invitation card. Let me show you people. Wedding, so someone is having a wedding, so you want to design an invitation card. So search for wedding invitation cards. You see different templates. So these are all templates, beautiful templates. The person's name, Eliano Words, Aaron. Still loading. Okay, this one says Charlotte and so etc. etc. So you can get any invitation card and begin to edit it and put the people's name that are doing the wedding, and then continue from there. So one of these lessons or trainings, I'll show you how to design invitation card, but it's not hard. Okay, so these are all invitation cards. Also, you can search for letterhead. We'll search for that already. Even birthday flyer. You can also design a birthday flyer with Canva. Okay, so let's search for birthday flyer. So these are all happy birthday designs. Happy birthday, happy birthday. I put in the person's picture and the person's name. Actually, one of the designs I created in Canva, I created for my pastor. I used Canva to do it. Maybe I should show you people. Or you can also say happy birthday to get other styles of it. Okay. my network, sha. So you can click on anyone and begin to edit. Put the person's name, happy birthday, Ngozi, Ngozi Kechukwu, may your day be, etc., etc. Wish the person. So, and you charge your money. Design happy birthday flyer now, 5K. So, charge. Or if the person is close to you, you can decide, okay, let me just do it for the person, 3K, 4K, 5K. There's no amount you cannot design, 10K save. So it depends. You are back online. My network is fluctuating today. So let's just go ahead with what's the business of today. Let me search for the technology flyer. So as I said initially, we'll be recreating this flyer. We'll be recreating it. So I'm looking for the template I used. Let me go up. So this is it. This is the template I used. You can see now it's black. So this is it. This is it. I think that it's looking so different from this. So that's what we call creativity too. So before we proceed, I hope we're following.
Yeah.
Are we okay?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you. So let's proceed. So the first thing here is what? The first thing you can see here is Multi-Life Savers NGO presents a techpreneurship program, kicking off with a 2-day techpreneurship program. Then the date, 8-week post-conference tech training begins 8 August. Then courses, front end, and the rest. Then these courses are taught by professionals in the field interested in the training. Register. Note that the training is free and great chances of gaining free laptops. Location. So now with these details, let's input it in this Canva template. So first of all, I started with deleting this. So I told you we have to do a lot of deleting. I have to do a lot of deleting. So I'll be removing this. So as you proceed, you may not start deleting everything, or is as you proceed, you may see that, oh, this one, I don't need this one. I don't need this one. Okay. So now this one, I'm going to change the color. I'm going to change the color to suit what I want. So this is the color I'm going to change it to. Are you seeing? So you click on the shape and come to color and give it a color. So the green pops front. Okay, so I'm still going to push it a little bit further. All right. Then let's move this. Let's move this. We may need it later. Then the next thing is this background as well. So I'm going to change the background to green. We're going to change this background to green, and that is Multi-Life Savers color. So I'm going to change this to Multi-Life Savers color. It's not going to be this green. So multi-light savers color, I have to get it because that's their brand color. Multi-light savers have their brand color. So each brand or business you are creating for, I told you about brand color. They all have brand colors. So to get it, I'll have to come to Pixel Lab because that's where I store the colors. So this is multi-light savers color. So I'll copy it. So now this is what we call hex code. This is the code. This is a color code, hex code. How did I get it? In Pixel Lab, just click on the color, click on plus. This color on is the color picker. We don't want to pick any item in the workspace. What we want to do is to press the second one to get the hex color. So this is the hex color. This hex color, that's the color code. If you press it anywhere in any design, it will give you green. That's the color of the particular green. It's a green, but you know, green have different shades. It can be dark green, light green. This one is medium green. It's not dark, it's not light. Okay. I hope you are understanding. So what I will do here now to make this background to be like this one, what I will do is I'll come here, come to color in Canva. I'm in Canva now. Come to color and click on plus. This plus, remember that I always add plus. Press plus to get more color codes. So press the plus. Now this is a gradient. So what I will do is that I'm going to click on this one, this blue, because I don't want the color to be blue. I want it to be green. So you see this one has the hex color code. So I will replace it with the one I copied from Pixel Lab. Let me start afresh. When you press color, you come to plus here, plus icon, and to give you this color, these are the colors that we have here. Gradient. Remember gradient is more than one color. So this is the gradient that is here right now, blue and green. But we don't want this color, we want to use multi-light color code. So we'll come to this blue to change the color and press it and give it the color I just copied. So this is multi-light savers color. So this is it. Now it's still giving us the other green part. So we are still going to change that green, that light green. So no, let me undo this. So I'll now press color again, come to plus and click on the green. So I'll still put multi-light savers X color code and give it the green. Okay, so here we go. But now I'll try to make it a little bit lighter, so to say. I still work with this. Okay. All right. So here we go. Now here is the styles. Where do you want it to be? So these styles will make it to change positions. To make it change positions. Okay, so let's go with this. Then next, we're still working with the backgrounds, right? We're still working with background. If you look very closely here, you see that you'll see that there's something in the background. There's something here in the background. As you can see, there's something in the background here. Okay, so that's we're going to import this now by going to elements and searching for technology background. So we are dealing with technology, right? So let's search for
now. Oh, ni check am na man. Ne man, you ever enjoy. Ne man, you enjoy. Similar girl, there you go.
Pretending not distract and not distract kwa biko.
So search for technology background. So these are technology backgrounds you are seeing. I want to choose that particular one. I have to get that particular one. Or what we'll do is this. We'll just search for technology. If we don't see that particular one, we can use another one. So let's search for technology. All these are technologies. Okay, so this is the one that I used. Okay. So I'll increase it. Still increase it. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the opacity. So opacity here is transparency. When you want to reduce opacity in Canva, you come to transparency. So you reduce the transparency. So now it's transparent now. And then you now send it to back. How do you send something to back in Canva? Can anybody answer me? If I want this not to be in the front now, what will I do?
Position.
Can anybody answer that? Just raise your hand. If you can answer that question, how can I make this stuff to go to the back in Canva? This is not Pixel Lab now. This is Canva. How do I make something to go to the back? Thank you. Someone just typed it now. Person said position, correct. So we'll go to position. So I will take it backwards. Okay, so this is forward, this is backward. This is to front. This one now is automatic front. This one is automatic back. If you want it to go back, press to back. If you want it to come front, first front, that's to front. But if you want it to go backward, that's at the back of one element to the other, to be going back until it now goes to the back that you want it to go to. So it's a gradual backwardness. Okay. So I'm going to gradually do the back till it goes to where you want it to be. Okay, so it's now back. Okay, so this is what we have close to what I showed you earlier that we're replicating. So I'm still going to move this here. So the next thing here is to bring in the multi-life logo. Okay, that's the first thing we are seeing. So we're going to bring in the multi-life savers logo. So how do you import? That's what, okay, how do you import something? You come to element B, come to element, and you import. So when it comes to elements, when you have click elements, this is what we bring to show you. So what you do is that you go next to text. After text, you have brand. After brand, all these ones are long stories though. So this brand is long story, but you can still try it out. So now the next is upload. Upload is the main thing I want to talk about. So you click on upload. So this upload now, you can upload any file you want to upload, and to be in your upload, anything you want to work with from your gallery. Maybe you downloaded one background, you downloaded one logo, you downloaded one image that you want to use personally, that is not, you don't want to use Canva images. Come to upload and upload it. So I've already uploaded this one, but let me just upload something else so people will know. So I'm uploading from my device. So I'll click device to upload from device. I'll now click media pick. I'm uploading from media pick. So let me assume that, okay, let me even bring father's picture now. Let me bring father's picture. So I'm going to use the one that he was holding Bible. Seems I can't find it, but I'll find it. So this is it. So it's already here. I have it uploaded. So like once I click it, it will come to my workplace. So this is it. I'll reduce it. I'll now place it here. Remember your alignment. But as you can see now, it's not showing. So that's what we'll talk. That's why we're talking about contrast. So this cannot show. That means we have to bring a background that is light. So we're going to be bringing in a white background. I'm going to be bringing in a white background. So I just use the position now to take it up. So this is what I want to bring in now. This thing. Please. I'll start from beginning. This thing you're seeing here, this shape, this curve shape, that's what I want to place this background, white background under the logo. So I'll go to my elements, right, to bring in the shape. So I'll click on element. Element is where you click to bring in anything into your workspace. So I don't want to search for anything because already in technology, I'll press cancel and bring in this shape. Oh, sorry, not that shape. Not that shape. So these are the shape I want to bring. So I'll delete elements, come to shape. So I'll press the see all and click on this bottom, this one on the bottom. Hope you saw the shape I click. Okay, this is the shape I click. So I'll bring it here, reduce the size. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll change the color of this. So it's that color, I'll make it white. Give it white. Come to color, give it white color. So drag it. And please make sure you work with your alignment. So we're going to take this to position. So position it to the back. So just click backward and it's at the back of the logo. So now come to nudge. Nudge is to take it to where you want it to be. So alignment seek is aligned now. Click on the logo. Make it to be in the center of the white background. Okay, so we have this. Although so we have this, then next thing here is to put in the text. Multi-life savers NGO presents. So we're going to use this text. We're going to delete 23. We'll make do of text export. We're going to edit this text. So click on edit and type multi-life savers NGO presents. So okay, so this is what we have here. I'll click it again, and use this right stuff to to make it to come this way, because it looks like everything is like this. So I'll use the right thing. This is not the right to stretch it. So everything will be one line. But now this text is too big. That's why it's filling everywhere. So we'll reduce it. So come to this up one to reduce. So I'll reduce it. And come to this right stuff to make it to be like this. So now everything is in capital letter, right? But first, let's change the color to white. And everything is in capital letters. So since in capital letters, we are going to come to this format. To make something to be in capital letter, we'll come to the B format. Click on B format, and you see all these icons. This one is italics, this one is underlined, this one is cancelled. We don't need all these ones. What we need is the capital, this last one. So click on capital. We're still going to reduce the size. You don't want it to fill everywhere. Remember your hierarchy. The main thing here, what we want people to see mainly is the entrepreneurship program. That's what we want them to see first. So Multi Life Savers NGO presents Techpreneurship Program. So let's copy this MLS present. That's Multi Life Savers NGO. Let's copy it and write a Techpreneurship Program. A Techpreneurship Program. Okay, so this is what we have. So as you can see, the font is quite different. So let's increase this, because that's the largest in this stuff, in this our design. That's actually the biggest stuff, because the boldest. So a techpreneurship program. The font used here is Open Sun font. So let's go for Open Sun. I believe it's Open Sun. And increase the size. So how to change the font? You know what? Here you go to now. You go to fonts. So this font now is Poppins, right? Okay. This is Poppins. So let's search for Open Sun. So if we go up, we can still see Open Sun, Open Sun. So this is the Open Sun. This is it. This is Open Sun. Well, it looks like it's a different font. But let's use Open Sun. So I'll click on this right arrow. This right thing here, this thing that I see that is at the right of Open Sun, this arrow here, when I click it to show me regular, medium, semi-bold, bold. So I want an extra bold. So let me go with extra bold and increase the font. A techpreneurship program. Well, it looks like this font is actually different. This is a different font entirely. This is a different font. This is a different font. It's different bold font. We're going to make use of this one. So we're going to take this multi-life up. Also take this one up. So multi-life savers NGO present. So let's remove this project. We don't need it. Our design needs open space, breathing space. Multi-life savers NGO present a technology program, kicking off with. So now we are coming down here. So we're going to copy this multi-life savers NGO. Copy, bring it here. So we are still working with alignment. We are still going to align that logo. That logo is not well aligned. So we're going to bring it here and write kicking off off with a 2-day entrepreneurship program. So you have it here, and the color is black. So you come to your color and make it black. Kicking off with a 2-day. So we're going to copy. Let's delete this. We don't need all these ones right now. Maybe when you're designing yours, you may need it, but for this particular one I created, we don't need it. So I'll copy this and bring it here. So what we want to put next is a 2-day entrepreneurship program. A 2-day entrepreneurship program. Right? And it's also white. But if you look closely, it's a different font that is here. This font is edgier than this font. If you look well, the font is different. I hope you are seeing what I'm saying. This one is more this one is more like techie. The font is relating with technology. Fonts have meanings. So this one has a feel of technology, and it's harder than the one that is up. It has a strong sense of appearance. A 2-day entrepreneurship program. So which font is this? We are going to search for the fonts now. And if you can see, as you can see, a entrepreneurship program is bigger than a 2-day entrepreneurship program. So that's hierarchy. We're going to reduce it a little. We may even eventually increase this, but let's go ahead. So the font we use for this a 2-day entrepreneurship program is called Patanakan. Patanakan. So this is the font. So I'll click it. Are you seeing it? Has given us that effect. So now I'm coming to reduce this. We'll now increase it this way. Okay, let me see. So program is the one that is at the second line. Why a 2-day? Yes. So this is the way it is. This is the way it is. We're still going to reduce it. A bit. So let's come to so this is what we have. Okay. So as we're saying, a technology program, kicking off with a 2-day technology program. Then the next thing here is this, the date. So 28 might not need to be accurate with the date. So which is this, the 5th and 26th July. So let's first of all create this box, this white background. How do we get the box? So we'll come to element. So these are all the shapes that we have. Remember that when you come to elements, the first thing you see is this. So these are all your shapes. Recently used shapes, graphics, stickers, photos, videos. So anyone you want to, you just click see all, and it will show you everything. If you want to see graphics now, so this is a graphics to use and beautify your design. You can bring in this stuff, this circle stuff now, and put it somewhere here. And it will beautify your design, to make your design fine. So these are all elements. It helps to amplify your design. You can fix it anywhere that you deem fits, but then you have to reduce the opacity too if you wish. You can also reduce the size and fix it somewhere. Okay, so that's for that. Well, let's just move it. So anyone you want, just press see all and you see all of it. So for the shapes, we are going to press see all of the shapes. And when we are seeing all the shapes, we'll click on this one here. After square, the second one that is curved is what we are going to click. So we'll click it. So when we click it, remember we're looking for this shape. at the background here, this shape, this one that is curved, this white shape curved under the date. That's what we're looking for, this white shape. So to get that, we're going to touch here and touch here, these two places. So now reduce it. Are you seeing it has given us that shape? And increase it. Now you see what we just did now. And then change the color to white. I seen that. So we may still need to reduce it. Just work with the reduction. This is what I'm tapping to reduce it. Okay, so now bring it up here and still maintain the alignment. So the date is 25th and 26th. So we'll copy this multi lifesavers NGO because we want to deal with the same font. So we'll copy it and bring it here. Only thing is that we're going to change the color to black. Right? Yes, black. And it's also bold. So reduce it and type what you want to type. That 5 p.m. We'll come back to that. But let's just check. Abi, what's the time? The time is 9 a.m. So you change you make it. Okay, let's come to format now because we want to make it small letters. As you can see, they're all big letters. It's because we formatted it here. So let's make it normal letters now. So the way we typed it is the way we are seeing it now, not capital letters. So the next thing you can see is that this thing is bold, right? So we have bold icon here. So click on bold. Bold. So and these letters are bold. And bring it here. So the next thing we have now is the 8-week post-conference tech training. So I'm going to copy this. Yes, and as you can see, there's a space. This design, a 2-day technology program, has a space between the a 2-day and the program here. There's a little space between them. It's not choked up like the one we have here. So we're going to come to line spacing, come to spacing rather, spacing. Then we have line spacing here. So letter spacing, line spacing. This letter spacing is for the letters itself, the letters, ABC, the letters, 1111. So we don't want it to be spaced, don't want the letters to be spaced. What we want to be spaced is this line spacing. So we'll bring it to 0 because we don't want any spacing in between them. So we don't want any spacing. Can leave it that way. Trying to give them some spaces. So this is what we have. Then next thing here is the 8-week post-conference tech training. So we'll copy this because they have the same font. Okay, so this is what we have now. So we're going to click on this. We're going to click on this now to make it come this side. All right, and then we'll change the color to black. All right. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so we're getting what we want. Then begins 5th August 2024. So we'll simply copy this, right? We'll copy. Remember, the essence of today's tutorial is to show you how to use the tools of this app. And learn how to use the tools. So copy this one too and bring it here. Begins 8th August. So here we go. Then the next is courses. So we're going to edit this place now to get our courses effect. So now this shape now, remember you can edit shape. Remember the last one I told you can edit shape. So the shape can also have the text. Right now it doesn't have the text. Right now it doesn't have a text. If I wanted to have a text, I'll simply click on the shape, click it again, click it again. I have the text. So I will come to courses. I'll just give it capital letters. Give it capital letter from the start. Courses. Okay, so the courses we have, you know the courses already. Front end web development, back end web development, then we have cyber security or cyber security, graphic design, then UI UX, UI slash UX design. Correct. So this is what we have, right? This is what we have. So what we'll do now, they are not well aligned, so we have to stretch this now so everything will be, give it space to align where you want it to align. And the font is bigger, but this font is smaller, so we have to increase the font to be like this one. So what we'll do is that we're going to come to size. Can set come size, or you just click this thing here and increase the size. So, and meanwhile, this one we don't need. Okay, yeah, we still need that. We still need this side. So what we'll do, we are going to align this thing here. So we're going to align it to be like the ones that are up. Remember, we're dealing with alignment. Once you are shifting it, it will be showing you that that line. That line is your alignment. So the courses too, we are going to increase the courses. We're going to increase the course. No. It's the font size we are going to increase. So the font size, let's increase it. This size is okay, 17. Then next thing, we are going to make it to align to the left. Come to your formatting, B format, and press alignment 2. So now it's aligned to the left. Before it was in the middle. now is in the left. So we'll now make the color of that course white. So this is what we have. Although, let's work with that. Let's work with that. Let's work with that. Okay, so the next thing here is the highlights. We're going to eliminate that highlight. We don't need it. Delete it. And come to this place. The courses we need. These courses are taught by professionals in the field. So it will be in capital letter. These courses are taught by professionals in the field. Right? Done. So let's also increase the font and bring it here. Let it be aligned with this one that is here already, with the one at the left. Okay. So that's for that. Then next, interested in the training, register with this. All those ones are long stories. Don't think I'm interested in them. Interested in the training and it's in capital letters. Then say register with this. Copy and then write register with this. HTTP / bit.ly /MLS saying this tech. So this is it. Okay, this is it. Then the next thing is this. Note that the training is free and great chances of getting free laptops. Then location. So what happens that we're going to take this up. And now I want to show you something. Since we are here, hope we're not confused. Let me find out.
Please, can you go back to that interested in training? I want to write something down, please. There is somebody that want to join you.
Before you talk, you take permission, please. Before you talk, you take permission. You don't just unmute mic, please, okay? For the organization of this class. So please, do you have something to say?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Please, do you have anything to say? Are we following? Have you been following? If you have been following, can you signify? So I'll be following up to this.
Yes, ma, we are following.
Please, I want to take permission, please. That interested in the training, please. Can we see the website, please? Some people are interested, but I don't know how to add them, please.
The registration is closed already. The registration is closed already. Yes, that's. But if you want to find out that, you can go to the website or go to. Okay, so now what are you looking for now? Is it the Multi Savers website, or you're looking for
Yes,
the link?
for the link, because some people are interested to join the training, just for the training.
They can't join anymore. They can't join anymore. The registration is closed. The registration is closed. I'll find out about the registration. But the registration is actually closed. It's actually closed. So have you been following, please, everybody? If I've been following, can you signify? Please kindly send a
Yes,
picture
ma'am.
of Father Pence so that
We are following.
all right, I will do that. I'll send a picture. Um yes, we are yet to add Father Mbaka's picture now to design. So that's what we want to do next. I wanted to find out if we're still together. Okay, so let's continue. So what we'll do now, we're going to bring in Father's picture. Okay, we're going to bring in. Okay, now we still have some things to do below. These notes, that means we have to push our designs up a little bit. So give us a space to write this note that the training is free. So let's bring in Father. Before we bring in Father, we need to give space for him. Let's have to do this way. There's no lot to this. Then this time, okay, can bring this time here. The thing is in the back. Let's make it front. So it can be there. Okay. So now, how are we going to bring Father's picture? Who can answer that question? How are we going to bring Father's picture inside now?
Go to elements.
Okay, someone says element. Good, element. So that's what we're going to go to. So after element, what next? After element, what next? Yes, I agree with you, Eziogechuku. After elements, what are we going to go to? Where exactly will we go to get at the picture from our gallery? Who can answer that question?
You go to
Okay.
upload. When you go to that element, you upload the picture. Go to the upload.
Thank you, Sister Justina. But please, no omitting of mic, please. You can use the chat box or you raise your hand, okay? It's for the
All right.
organization of the class.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
Okay, so now we're talking about upload. You are very correct. That means you have been following us into this class. So now this is element, but if you scroll like this, you can see there's upload here already. So you don't need to even go to element again, start going to upload. Simply, even in your workspace, I'm bringing this down. Even in your workspace, before you come to element, just go right, see upload. So when you come to upload, we have already uploaded Father's picture. So we're going to reduce it. You see that this place now, I can make use of this right side in Canva. But in Pixel Lab, you cannot do that too because you just distort your image. Okay, so this is Father. I have to increase it a little bit. So I'm going to crop this down part. Please mute yourselves. So I'm going to crop this down part. I'm going to touch here to crop. So this place will help to crop. So I'll now bring it down. Okay. So I brought it down now. So the next thing I'm going to put this stuff here that I used to cover it. As you can see now, this place now that I put his name. This place I put his name. This place I put his name. See, the name is on something. So we're going to put that. So how did I get that? This is what I did. I copied this and I removed the right here. The right stuff can be there. So I copy this and bring it here. I see the way it has aligned. So it's all about creativity. I'll now put his name. So Reverend Father Ejike. Okay. Then I'll now also write founder multi life savers. So I have to add that right for founder multi life savers. So I'll copy this now. Just copy a little text. Copy and bring it here. I'm going to change the color to pure white. Okay. All right. So I want to write that he's the founder. Founder. So right now the thing is bulleted. That English is strong. So it has bullets. So I'll remove the bullets. If you come to formatting, this is where you see some of your formatting that you can format your font, your text. So I'll come to this format and remove the bullet. So the bullet is no longer there. I remove it. I will now reduce it so that it can fit into this box. Oh, so it's time that cannot be reduced again. Are you the one that will tell me what to do? Anyway, if I still want to read, I can still come to font size and reduce it. But let's just position it. So let it be there. So I'm going to bring in all these things up. So I'm going to take some of these things up so we can have space to do the one that is down for free laptop. So we're going to now what I want to show you people is that instead of you doing all these things one, if you know that there are some things you want to move together, you want them to be in the same line. This is what you will do. Come to the fonts. Are we together? Click on because you want to move more than one element up, more than one object. You want to arrange more than one object. What you do is that you click on it, on the one you want to arrange, and then click on these three dots here. After delete, you see three dots. Click on the three dots and press select multiple. Are you seeing? This select multiple will help you to select more than one thing. So select multiple will select this, select this, select this other one, this one that is at the top. Let's do that action again. Select this, select this, select this and select the one down. So we'll now come to the position. This will help us to position it now. Nudging help us to arrange what we want to arrange. So now I see that all of them are going together. So let's do it this way. It's okay. So this is it. And then we'll bring up that stuff that says this free laptops. So I made the color white. Although I need to still reduce this. I did that because of hierarchy. Let all our elements not be the same size. There should be one that stands out. So now let me still do some arrangement. Let me take some things up so that we'll have space to write down the many information. So what will happen, I'll come to multiple selects to select many things now that I'm going to move up. I want to pick this white background. So here we go. Plus papa. So I will now drag all this up. Okay. So there's one that refused to go up with them, which is this. So I'll take this one up. Okay, now we have enough space down. Although I didn't carry this one up too. So that's okay. Then this white one, I'll now take it up too. So now this text that is here, I'll copy this text and bring it up so I can put that information. And that information is on red. So note that the training is free and great chances of gaining free laptops. Let's write that. Note that the training is free and great chances of winning a laptop. As you can see, the color is what? Red. So let's give it a red color. So we can give it this color red and make it bold because we want it to be very bold. All together. The color is too shouty, it's a shouty red. So let me edit it. I'll give it a darker red. I'm okay with this red now. Then location. Man. Adoration permanent site. Anyway, this is it. I'll just write adoration permanent site. So this is what we have. You can decide to add that in your own. Your own design. Okay. So are we together, everybody? So this is the design. This is how we created that design you saw. This is how I created it. Okay, now this shiny stuff at the back, at the front there, beside the program, you just come to your element. So the element just pops. I don't even know the name of that element. Then just search for curved line. Let's see. But I need the one that has that star. So I'm not seeing it right now. You know, the thing just came up. I had to add it. Came up as elements. Just showed itself when I didn't search for it. So just had to add it. I thought of it being looking good, so I added it. So can decide to add another thing instead of it. I don't know how this will- So at this junction, is there any question? So I'll be uploading the video so you can watch the video and then recreate the same thing. Adoration. Okay, now we see that there's a location icon here. Okay, now the next thing, say for more inquiries, you can reach us via email. Okay, let me add that. Actually, let me add that. So to make sure that all your elements fit in and still have breathing space, it's good that you still use your position, your arrow to move stuff. Okay, you still use the arrow to move stuff. So let's still bring it down here. That's what we call negative space. Let there be breathing space. So let's see. For more inquiries, reach us at hello at multilife. Savers.org. So that's multilife savers Gmail address. Okay, so if I want this to fit, I have to use the arrow button to move it up and it fits. By this junction, any question? Does anybody have any question? Do you have any question? Because we're coming to the conclusion of this class. Okay, Kizito, please go ahead.
Please, what is the pixel for this design?
Okay, so the pixel. Now, this is an already generated pixel. So when you come to Canva, this is what we edited. They have already given us the size. You understand? We edited it. We don't need to create the size ourselves. Okay, but if you want to know the size, what you do is you come to now. You remember when you are done with your design, you need to save. So I will show you how to save your work too. To save your work, you have to press this up arrow. This up arrow beside this up arrow here. Press it. Once you press it, to now show you download. So you now press download. So if you see download now, this is download. Once you press here, your design is downloaded automatically. But look at this size. The size in pixels is 1414 by 2000 pixels. Px means pixels. So that's the size of this design. 1414 by 2000 pixels. When you put it in Pixel Lab, you see this exact size. But you want us to try it out. Let's go. So let's go to Pixel Lab and write 1414 14 by 2000 pixels. Let's go to Pixel Lab. Image size. Now you come to image size.
Please, which one is the width and the length?
I won't answer that question because you are supposed to know the answer. But follow me. You may have an hint, or you may have a hint when I'm typing it now in Pixel Lab. So 1414 by 2000 pixels. So you come to your image size and type 1114. 114, right?
Okay.
1414, 414 by 2000. So you asking me the width and the height is not something I should answer you because height is the longest. So which one is the longest? It's 2000. The shortest is 1414. That makes it the width, and the length 2000 because 2000 is the highest. So 2000 is the length, and the 1414 is the breadth, is the width. Okay, so hope I've answered your question. So once you type this download, once you tap on download, your design is downloading. I'm done. You've got your design. So when you go to your gallery, you see your design. So that's it. Okay. So who has another question? Another person? If you have another question, please raise your hand. Okay, Maz the speaker, please go ahead.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
On our last class,
Network, we can't hear you.
it seems like that on our last class, you gave
Come
us an
again.
assignment. I said that last class
Yeah.
that you gave us an assignment to design something, but it seems that network is too frustrating that day.
Okay, so
So I
I'll give
didn't
you an
get
assignment
the
today. So don't bother about that. I'll give you an assignment today. So don't bother about that.
Okay, I have another question, ma.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, please don't be annoyed. If someone submits an assignment on that email address that you gave, if let's say someone designed their logo and submitted it, if that person, let's say within some hours, gets an idea to redesign that logo, that person has an opportunity to let's say delete the other one. You cannot delete it from your phone. And do you have an opportunity to omit that one and post it? Thank you.
So, Mark the speaker, you said, example, you sent a logo to the email to the assignment email address, and then
Yeah.
you want to delete it. You don't want it to appear there again.
Yeah.
I don't think there's anything you can do about that. You cannot unsend a message you have sent via
Okay.
Gmail.
Thank you.
So it's been received. Are you the
Okay.
one
Thank
that
you.
did that?
No, I did not delete anything. I just asked for me to know if it's possible for someone to, take such action.
But why would you take the action and delete? Why would you have to take that action and delete? Well, you know that
Maybe
it's
the
not good.
person has an experience that came after he have designed the logo.
So if you design any logo, you design something on your own, you can send it to me on my personal WhatsApp, okay, DM. But don't send it to the assignment email address. That one is specifically for assignment. But if you came up with a design you want me to correct, you want me to look at, you can send it to me personally. That's a design on your own. You practice with Pixel Lab. That one is not assignments. You can send it to me personally. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. So next person we
Teacher,
have,
can I ask a question?
who is talking?
Is Unity?
Okay, Unity, please you have to mute your mic. Just raise your hand and then I'll permit you.
Okay.
Jude, please go ahead with your question.
Okay. Matt, please want to ask if we can make use of color picker on Canva.
Okay. Yes, you can. Sure, you can. Have you learned how to do that with Pixel Lab first?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
To know if we can do it also on Canva.
Yes, sure, you can do it on Canva. You can.
Please, can you show me?
Have you learned all the tools I taught you today? I don't want to bombard the people with plenty. So you won't get confused. So just work with the ones we learned today. Don't worry. An opportunity will come. We'll do the color picker.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So please, any other question? Anyway, I'm trying to answer. Okay, since this is recorded, so can still take your time to watch it. No, so our question is saying is our color picker in case she wants to pick color. So in case you want to pick color, let's assume now this is red color now. So what you do, you want to pick a color, maybe the particular the yellow that is on father's picture. So you want to pick that particular yellow color. So what you will do here is you come to color. Okay. It's supposed to be away. Hmm. I'm trying to figure out the color picker stuff, but it seems I can't locate it. There's not supposed to be anywhere apart from color. So once you add your solid color, you should be able to pick a color. You should be able to, but it seems.
I'm not seeing what you are doing.
Can you see my screen? Can you see my
We
screen?
can't view your,
Yes,
we can't
ma'am.
view your screen.
Someone else is show screen. Let that person.
Okay, please mute yourselves. You can log out and log in back because others are seeing it. So the color picker is what I'm trying to figure out here, but it seems that Canva doesn't actually have that color picker. It doesn't have it. It does, we'll see it. It doesn't have that color picker. It does. Okay. So I'm still awaiting your questions. Is there any other question before we proceed with the class? Then I'll be giving you assignment.
Please, ma, you have not answered my question.
Okay, what's the question?
Please, how do you get the background?
Background? You watch it though, because I explained it.
And the last class, we never see the video.
That
Yes,
means
you
you've not
promised
come
me that.
online.
Hmm?
It's online now. It's in the group chat.
I have not seen it. Oh.
Okay, you can go and check it in the group chat.
Go to you.
Okay.
Okay, this one has the picker. The app itself has the picker, but the pro one now doesn't have it. But don't bother. This pro one is supposed to be showing in the app itself. I don't know why it's showing me in the web. I'm using the web pattern of it, the web format. It's supposed to come and reflect in the Canva app itself. Okay, and in the Canva app, that's where you can see this color picker. So you pick the color that you want. Let's assume that this is the color we want vegan to be. So this color has gone from blue to red. Okay, so there's color picker in there. But that's in the app. This one now is the website. This stuff supposed to be reflecting on the app itself. By the time you download yours, I believe it will reflect on the app. So okay, so now since there's no other question, let's continue with the assignment. So your assignment now. Okay, talk. What's the question? Go ahead.
Okay, it's not that much question, just a request.
Okay.
Please, ma,
Go ahead.
I know it's too hard, but at least once in a while, I mean, once in a while, just open the group chat so that we can just ask questions. I know that if you open it now, people will start to the post up and down. But please, just open it once in a while so that even if, let's say, we have class on Saturday, you open it, so let's say in the morning, we might have a question to drop there. Because coming to your personal DM might be a disturbance.
Okay, thank you for the suggestion.
Alan, teacher, I'm still waiting for permission. Thought you told me to wait. I've been waiting since, and they haven't
You didn't
permitted
raise
me.
up your hand now.
I
You didn't
raised
raise
my
up,
hand since.
but it's not reflecting here. I'm only seeing mass. Your hand is
I
not
even
showing.
typed. I even typed message.
Okay. So go ahead. You can talk now, please.
Okay. I want to just ask. I have sent those of my assignment.
Mm, okay.
I messaged in your DM, but you find you respond message all the time. So
Okay. The network is fluctuating.
I don't know all those messages we have sent to there. It seems that I'm not participating. So
Can you come again, Chinecherem, with your question? I didn't hear your question. Your network was breaking.
okay, I say those of my assignments. I have just sent it in that Gmail, but I don't know. Maybe the thing is,
Okay. What's your name? I will go and check your message because I'm still here to understand because you're talking about your assignment and then your message, your DM.
okay.
So
Can
I'll
you hear
go
me
and
now?
check.
Hello, hello.
Yes, I'm with you. Just send me a message, personal message. Once we are done with this call, okay? Send me a message. Ogechukwu Rosemary, please go ahead.
Hello, ma. Good evening.
Good evening.
Please, I just want to make sure there are some assignments and work that I did. I sent to your email. I don't know if you saw it.
This once it signifies sent. Once it shows you sent, that means your message has been sent. You don't need to worry. Your message has been sent. Once it says sent, that means your message has been sent. Okay?
Oh,
Ogechukwu, yes.
okay, no problem. Thank you.
You're welcome. Chinecherem, please, you send me a message immediately after this class now. Just send me a message so that I will go through what you have said there. Just send me a message because the network is breaking. Okay? So at this junction, so here is an assignment for you. This is your next assignment. The first one, you have two assignments and you remit your assignment before Saturday. This is Wednesday, so you have Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So you have two assignments here. The first assignment is for you to replicate this design we did today. So I'm going to be replicating it. And I promise I'll be sharing a video on how to design. Are we together? Please mute your mic. Igwe Mary. So now, your first assignment is to recreate this design we did today. And then I promise you guys that I will be sharing a video on how I downloaded Canva Pro, on how I installed Canva Pro, how I have Canva Pro, on how to get Canva Pro. I'm going to do a special video on that. So I'll wait the video. You'll get it shortly. So your first assignment. Oh. So now your first assignment is on this one. You recreate it. That's the first one. Then the second one is on multi lifesavers. you are going to design any design of your choice via any design. You're going to design this flyer, and then you are going to talk about Reverend Father Ejikin Baka, multi life savers in this flyer. So how it has impacted. You can just design anything. You can design anything, and then post it on your social media handle. And then you're going to tag multi life savers. So you can decide to type uh fourth week in multi life savers entrepreneurship program, hashtag fourth week multi life savers entrepreneurship program. They also tag multi life savers. Okay, so this is your next assignment. You're going to replicate today's design. I'm going to also design a flyer about multi life saver, about Padam Baka. You can just add Padam Baka's picture there and then write any write up there and then post. Or if you don't want to go through that route, you can decide to create any flyer design. It can even be your brand, your business. You want to advertise that, okay, oh, I'm a graphic designer. I design you can come meet me for your flyers, your business card, your letterhead, your invitation card, although I'm still going to go through those two. But you can decide to create your own personal flyer as a graphic designer. Okay. I'm um so you can say the headline can be uh brand your business. Brand your business. The headline can also be get your affordable designs, get your affordable flyer, or your another headline can be we offer graphic design services. What we do, flyer designs, logo designs. We're also going to go through logo designs. Okay, so we're going to go through logo design. But for now, you can talk about the ones you can do. You can say birthday flyer design, because all these things, it's not hard for you to do. Once you get your inspiration and then come to Pixel Lab, you design, or you can come to Canva and search for birthday flyer and you recreate. So you can decide to design anything and then post to your social media handle and then tag fourth um multi life savers excuse me fourth week multi life savers entrepreneurship training or program. Okay, you can even decide to post your work, maybe the assignment that has been given to you, any assignment, especially today's assignment, you can upload it. Okay, well, basically you have to do two assignments. The first one is today's assignment, then the second one is your own personal assignment. Just simple thing, talk about most lifesavers, how it has impacted you, or Father Baka, talk about Father Baka. It can be short sentence, can be any write up, then post it and then tag multi life savers one. Then second tagging will be fourth week multi life savers entrepreneurship training. Okay, so that is going to be that. Just create any design of your choice. Now you have been given a free way to create a design. It's not now replicate, although you're going to replicate this own, because it will help you to master the Canva tools. Practice makes perfect. So you're going to replicate today's own. Then you're now going to create anything of your choice. You can decide to use Canva or you use Pixel Lab to create this, and then upload it to or your social media handle, tagging multi life savers one, and secondly tagging it your fourth week. I believe this is the fourth week. Yes, either fourth, yes, or fifth, either fourth or fifth week. That's
It's fourth
amazing. Fourth week, right? Thank you. I know I didn't lose count. So the fourth week of the multi-life savers training, fourth week multi-life. So you can decide to post on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, any social media of your choice, any social media platform of your choice. So that's it. could just caption it your progress so far. Okay, so it's all about practice. Even while we're not having classes, the free days you have, use it to practice. Use it to practice. Come online, search stuff, you know. Okay. So meanwhile, we're still going to go through logo designs to learn how to design logos as well in this training. Okay. All right then. So at this junction, that will be the end of today's class.
Go, Bego, shall you go and send some of those pictures of Reverend Father Mbaka for us? Thank you.
Okay. I won't forget. I will do that. I will send you okay, you'll get the logo yourself. Well, I can send you the logo. That's not any problem. I'll send you the logo and the the picture of Father Mbaka. Now, you know that is in transparent format already. There's something I didn't show you people in Canva. Is that you can also remove background with Canva, but it has to be with the Canva Pro. You can also remove picture with Canva. Okay, let me quickly show you that. So okay, let's upload file device. So let's upload something that has a background. Whether it's white, so okay, let's not even go that far. Okay, let's I'll show you both. So now let's go to download something that we downloaded. That has the background. Okay, so okay, let me go with this lady that is smiling. I'll import her. So now this has a background already. So how do we remove this? We'll simply come to effects. So you're coming to effects. Once you click on effects, I'll be serious right now. Actually showing me the it's not actually showing me the background right now. That's funny. You know, this site stuff actually has some limitations with it. I'm finding out right now. Because if I come to the Canva itself, this is what it's going to show me. We're almost done. So let me bring in any elements, the picture. So this guy that is here, what will happen is I'll come to effects. This is I did in the other one. I'll come to BG remover, bounce background remover, which it didn't show me there. The only thing it showed me it was effects. It didn't show me this Magic Studio. It didn't show me that. So
Just like I showed
okay,
you this.
okay, this is the Magic Studio. Okay, it separated itself. This Magic Studio is not in effects, is in separated. Okay, I see. So I'll come to this background remover. When I click Magic Studio, I'll come to background remover. icing automatically. So this for a picture I uploaded. I can also do same for elements. Any picture I get from the elements. So these are all photos. This same guy. Use this Chinese one. Can remove this to come to Magic Studio and remove background. Icing. Clean remover. Okay, so that's one of the things we also do with Canva. So that will be it for today. Good night, everybody.
Do you remember the picture?
That's okay. All right, so that was the end of today's class. So thank you very much. Can begin to log out.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you.